History celebrates Alexander the Great, but forgets the king who faced him with unmatched courage, Raja Porus. The unsung hero of Punjab? He ruled a prosperous kingdom along the banks of the Jhelum River. And when the world's greatest conqueror crossed into his land, Porus did not run. He stood and fought, not for glory, but for honor. In the legendary Battle of the Hydaspes, Porus faced Alexander head-on. Outnumbered but not outmatched, he fought like a lion, with elephants, archers, and undying resolve. Defeated, but unbroken, Porus was brought before Alexander. And when asked how he wished to be treated, he replied, like a king. And so he was. Discover the forgotten legacy of resistance, courage, and true kingship. Raja Porus, an unsung hero of Punjab, available now on Amazon.